Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vision Miami. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. In this video I will share best 15 foods that boost the immune system at home with healthy food and also basic nutrient strength are health boosting immunity power. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Eating a low-fat, plant-based eating routine may help give the insusceptible framework a lift. The SAFE framework depends on white platelets that produce antibodies to battle microbes, infections, and different intruders. Veggie lovers have been appeared to have more successful white platelets when contrasted with non-vegetarians, because of a high admission of nutrients and low admission of fat. The SAFE framework comprises of organs, cells, tissues, and proteins. Together, these take out materially measures that battle away microorganisms, which are the infections, microbes, and unfamiliar bodies that cause contamination or sickness. Our bodies need sleep to rest and revive. Without an adequate measure of rest, we increment our danger for creating genuine medical conditions, like coronary illness, Alzheimer's infection, and corpulence. Just follow some fruits and foods may help to boost the immune system. 1. Citrus fruits. A great many people go directly to nutrient C after they've gotten a bug. That is on the grounds that it assists work with increasing your insusceptible framework. Grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, limes. Vitamin C is thought to expand the creation of white platelets, which are critical to battling diseases. Vitamin C has additionally been connected to decreased danger of coronary illness. Like cucumbers, watermelon, and tomatoes, citrus natural products have high water content. Eating a lot of water content nourishments, for example, citrus, can help you stay hydrated, which is significant for extinguishing your thirst just as assisting you with burning through liquids for the duration of the day to forestall drying out and help the body's frameworks work appropriately. Practically all citrus natural products are high in vitamin C. With such an assortment to look over, it's anything but difficult to add a press of this nutrient to any supper. Remember that while vitamin C may assist you to recover from a cold quicker. 2. Red bell peppers. In the event that you think citrus natural products have the most vitamin C of any natural product or vegetable, reconsider. Ounce for ounce, red chime peppers contain right around threefold the amount of vitamin C orange. They are likewise a rich wellspring of beta-carotene. Red bell peppers are an extraordinary wellspring of vitamin B6 and folate. Both these nutrients and minerals can help forestall paleness and numerous malignancies including prostate and lung. Red bell peppers are high in vitamin A, which assists with supporting sound vision, particularly night vision. So with regards to bell peppers, seeing red is something worth being thankful for. Other than boosting your invulnerable framework, vitamin C may assist you with keeping up sound skin. Beta-carotene, which your body changes over into vitamin A, helps keep your eyes and skin sound. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with nutrients and minerals. Pressed with vitamin A, C, and A, just as fiber and numerous different cell reinforcements, broccoli is perhaps the best vegetable you can put on your plate. Broccoli is a decent wellspring of fiber and protein, and contains iron, potassium, calcium, selenium and magnesium just as the vitamins A, C, A, K and a decent cluster of B nutrients including folic corrosive. Devouring steamed broccoli consistently brings down the danger of cardiovascular infection by lessening the aggregate sum of cholesterol in the body. Vitamin K is a basic supplement that is required for blood coagulating, and may assume a significant part in keeping our bones sound and solid. Broccoli contains beta-carotene which the body converts to vitamin A. The way to keeping its capacity flawless is to cook it as meager as could be expected under the circumstances, or even better, not in the slightest degree. Exploration trusted source has indicated that steaming is the most ideal approach to keep more supplements in the food. 4. Garlic. Garlic is found in pretty much every food on the planet. It adds a bit of punch to food and it's an unquestionable requirement have for your well-being. Early civic establishments perceived its incentive in battling diseases. Garlic may likewise hinder solidifying of the conduits, and there's powerless proof that it assists lower with blooding pressure. Crude garlic can possibly avoid a hack and cold diseases. Eating 2 squashed garlic cloves on an unfilled stomach has the greatest advantage. Garlic advances cerebrum well-being in light of its cancer prevention agent and mitigating properties. Individuals who ate crude garlic at any rate doubled 7 days lower danger of creating cellular breakdown in the lungs. Garlic's invulnerable boosting properties appear to come from a substantial grouping of sulfur-containing mixers, for example, allicin. 5. Ginger. Ginger is another fixing many go to in the wake of becoming ill. Ginger may help decline irritation, which can help decrease a sensitive throat and provocative diseases. Ginger may assist with queasiness also. While it's utilized in numerous sweet pastries, ginger packs some warmth as gingerol, a relative of capsaicin. Ginger is said to protect you from unsafe synthetic compounds that can hurt your liver. It additionally diminishes the dangers of your liver from maturing. The pain that a woman goes through during her menstrual cycle may be unbearable for some, but ginger can succumb to that pain. Ginger needs to slaughter awful microbes and infections that are forestalled in the cell structure. Ginger may likewise diminish constant agony trusted source and may even have cholesterol bringing down properties trusted source. 6. Spinach. Spinach made our rundown not on the grounds that it's plentiful in vitamin C. It's additionally stuffed with various cancer prevention agents and beta-carotene, which may both increment the contamination battling capacity of our resistant frameworks. Spinach is connected to various medical advantages that improve your visual perception, disease counteraction and controls glucose. Devour 1 cup of spinach consistently and stay solid. Like broccoli, spinach is best when it's cooked as meager as could be expected under the circumstances, so it holds its supplements. In any case, light cooking makes it simpler to retain the nutrient and permits different supplements to be delivered from oxalic corrosive, an enemy of supplement. 7. Yogurt. Standard utilization of yogurt upgrades our insusceptible framework and shields our body from an assortment of diseases and improving bone well-being. Attempt to get plain yogurts instead of the sort that are enhanced with sugar. You can improve plain yogurt yourself with sound products of the soil shower of nectar, all things considered. Yogurt can likewise be an incredible wellspring of vitamin D, so attempt to choose brands invigorated with this nutrient. Vitamin D controls the safe framework and is thought to help our body's characteristic guards against infections. Clinical preliminaries are even in progress to examine its potential consequences for COVID-19. 8. Almonds. With regards to forestalling and fending off colds, vitamin E will in general assume a lower priority in relation to vitamin C. In any case, this groundbreaking cancer prevention agent is critical to a sound and vulnerable framework. It's a fat solvent nutrient, which implies it requires the presence of fat to be retained appropriately. Nuts, for example, almonds, are pressed with the nutrient and furthermore have sound fats. Almonds are high in magnesium enhancements for metabolic condition and type 2 diabetes. Grown-ups need vitamin E every day. Almonds secure your heart severally. The nuts have been appeared to keep up or increment great, hard defensive HDL cholesterol, while bringing down awful LDL levels. 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are brimming with supplements, including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and E. Vitamin E is significant in directing and keeping up an vulnerable framework work. Different nourishments with high measures of vitamin E incorporate avocados and dull verdant greens. Vitamin E improves invulnerable reactions and secures against a few irresistible illnesses. It is likewise a groundbreaking cancer prevention agent and keeps free extremists from harming solid cells in our body. 10. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a vital fixing in numerous curries. This splendid yellow, harsh flavor has additionally been utilized for quite a long time as a mitigating in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid joint pain. Turmeric has an antiquated history of employments in cooking, texture coloring, beautifying agents and customary medication in China and India. Turmeric and its incredible fixing have a scope of medical advantages. Cell reinforcements can possibly forestall coronary illness, eye conditions and Alzheimer's. Mitigating properties can assist individuals with joint inflammation. Turmeric may even decrease the danger or spread of malignancy. 11. Green tea. Both green and black teas are pressed with flavonoids, a kind of cell reinforcement. Where green tea truly dominates is in its degrees of groundbreaking cancer prevention agent. Green tea cell reinforcements offer antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral impacts that help in susceptibility. Extra, its antibacterial properties additionally battle terrible breath. Furthermore, green tea goes about as a prebiotic, nourishment for the healthful gut microorganisms attached to sound and vulnerability. Green tea is additionally a decent wellspring of the amino-corrosive L-theanine. L-theanine may help in the creation of germ-battling mixes in your T cells. Green tea benefits bone well-being by improving bone strength and quality. 12. Papaya. Papayas contain elevated levels of cell reinforcements vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Diets high in cancer prevention agents may lessen the danger of coronary illness. Papayas additionally have a stomach-related compound considered papum that has mitigating impacts. Papaya's organic product is a tremendous ally of kidney well-being. Papayas have fair measures of potassium, magnesium, and folate, which are all valuable to your general well-being. 13. Kiwi. Kiwis are normally brimming with a huge load of basic supplements, including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed may help you nod off quicker and stay unconscious longer. Kiwis contain vitamin C, it produces connective tissue your skin. Nutrient C lifts the white platelets to battle disease, while kiwis' different supplements keep the remainder of your body working appropriately. 14. Poultry. At the point when you're debilitated and you go after chicken soup, it's simply impact that causes you to feel good. The soup may help lower aggravation, which could improve indications of a virus. Poultry, for example, chicken and turkey, is high in vitamin B6. Around 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat contains almost 33% of your day-by-day suggested measure of B6. Vitamin B6 is a significant part in a considerable lot of the compound responses that occur in the body. It's additionally indispensable to the arrangement of new and solid red platelets. Stock or stock made by bubbling chicken bones contains gelatin, chondroitin, and different supplements supportive for gut mending and resistance. 15. Shellfish. Shellfish isn't what leaps to mind for some, who are attempting to help their safe framework, yet a few kinds of shellfish are pressed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much consideration, the same number of different nutrients and minerals. However, our bodies need it so our resistant cells can work as expected. Assortments of shellfish that are high in zinc include clams, crab, lobster, mussels. An excessive amount of zinc can really hinder insusceptible framework work. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. More ways to prevent infections. Eating only one of these nourishments won't be sufficient to assist battle with offing this season's virus or different contaminations, regardless of whether you eat it continually. Eating right is an incredible beginning, and there are different things you can do to protect you and your family from seasonal influenza, cold, and different diseases. Thank you.